Hello students, I am back again after your exam. Hope your exam has been good. Today I have come to teach you something new. Today I will teach you about the phonic sounds. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O and U. The first vowel is A. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. Here are few words with the sound of A. Bat, cat, fan, man, map, cap, bag, jam. This is B-A-T. B-A-T, at. Bat. C-A-T. C-A-T, at. Cat. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. A-P, app. T-A-P, tap. M-A-P, M-A-P, app. Map. C-A-P, app. Cap. P-A-D, ad, pad. S-A-D, ad, sad. B-A-G, egg, bag. T-A-G, egg, tag. J-A-M, jam, jam. The next vowel is E. The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. Here few words with the sound of E. Hen, ten, net, pet, red, leg, egg. The sound E-N-N. Few words with the E-N. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. Ta-N, ten. D-E-N-N, den. P-E-N-N, pen. The sound of E-T is eight. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, eight, jet. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, eight. P-E-T, pet. W-E-T, eight, wait. W-E-T, wait. The sound of E-D is ed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, ed, bed. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, ed, red. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, egg, leg. E-double-G, egg. The next vowel is I. Here are few words with the sound of I. Pit, sit, pin, bin, lip, zip. The sound of IT is eat. Here few words with the sound of IT. PIT, pit. People, IT, eat. S, sir, IT, sit. H, her, IT, hit. L, IT, lit. The sound of IN is in. BIN, bin. BIN, in. Bin. PIN, pin. People, IN, pin. FIN, fin. FIN, fin. TIN, tin. Teeter, IN, in. Tin. LID, lid. LID, id. Lid. LIP, lip. LIP, ip. Lip. ZIP, zip. ZIP, ip. Zip. BIB, bib. BIB, ib. Bib. Next we learn few words with O. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. Here few words with the sound of O. Cot, dot, mop, top, log, ox, box. The sound of OT is ot. COT, cot. COT, ot, cot. DOT, dot. DDO, OT, ot, dot. HOT, hot. OT, ot, hot. POT, pot. Paw, OT, ot. The sound of OP is op. MOP, mop. MOP, op, mop. TOP, top. TTO, OP, up, top. COD, cod. COD, odd, cod. POD, pod. POD, odd, pod. DOG, dog. DDO, OG, og, dog. LOG, log. LOG, og, log. OX, ox. BOX, box. BOX, ox, box. The last vowel is U. The last vowel is U. The sound of U is A. The sound of U is A. Few words with the sound of U. UG, the sound of UG is ug. BUG, bug. BUG, ug, bug. JUG, jug. JUG, ug, jug. MUG, ug, mug. RUG, rug. RUG, ug, rug. The sound of UP is up. UP is up. CUP, cup. CUP, up, cup. PUP, pup. PUP, up, pup. H-U-T, heart. H-U-T, at, heart. N-U-T, nut. G-U-N, un, gun. G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, un, sun. S-U-N, sun. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. T-U-B, up, tub. T-U-B, tub. So children, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.